ओ बेटा हो मी जॉईन केलेले. हा 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 काय करतील? नाही कर ना, तू फोन कर ना. असं नको करू, तू झोपला की झोपला मग. हा करते ना मी. हा एक मिनिट, कौस्तुभ आहे की मॅमनी उचलला. हा कौस्तुभ दुसऱ्या नंबरवरनं लावतो, चालेल का? हा घेताय का तुम्ही आत्ता मॅम? अरे बोल ना. हम्म. हॅलो हॅलो. Am I audible? Yes, student. Am I audible? Yes. Harsh. Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You call everyone, please. Tell them
Oh,
to
yes,
join.
I've called them.
Yes.
Ma'am, actually, the lecture before this is still on, but my internet was off, so I could not attend that.
Whose lecture it was?
It's chemistry lecture.
Patil ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We'll wait another 5 minutes then. Huh? But don't
Yes,
leave now. Huh?
yes, ma'am.
Chalo, inform everyone to join immediately. Is it over? Earlier lecture? Shreyas, is it over? Earlier lecture?
Yes, yes.
Okay, tell them to join immediately. How many total students are there? How many total students are there? Am I audible to you? Am I audible to you?
Yes,
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
How
sir.
many total students are there in this batch? 21?
24.
24. So including me, now it is 17. Just tell them to join fast. Are you able to see the screen? Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I am madam, not sir.
Sorry, ma'am.
Just see the list. As you are aware that this is our phase 1, in which half of the batches or half of the divisions, they are performing the offline practicals and half of them are performing online batches. So you are among them online. So we'll finish whatever turn we will get the PBL. Does anyone know what is PBL? Yes.
Project-based learning.
Yeah, but what idea about it? What you are supposed to do? Any details? Yes, any details? What you are supposed to do? Have you seen our syllabus? Theory syllabus? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So which chapters are there in the theory syllabus? Yes. Chalo, speak out.
Water technology.
Water technology is there. Then chalo fatafat.
Hardness of water.
Yeah, that only. Water technology is one chapter. What are other chapters are there? Yes, have you seen it or no? The syllabus in
No,
very
ma'am.
first lecture, Patil madam might have shared it with you. Huh? Or no?
Industrial methods, conductivity, pH,
We have one chapter on the
polymers,
instrumental analysis, in which we are going to study UV visible spectroscopy, IR spectroscopy is there, and pH metry is there. One chapter is there which is on corrosion. How does the corrosion takes place? What are the factors affecting the rate of corrosion? How to minimize the corrosion? The different techniques by application of coatings or by galvanizing, Sherardizing, electroplating, etc. And one more chapter is there about the polymer chemistry, in which we are going to study the cement, Portland cement, then specialty polymers are there, and little bit of nanoparticles is there. So about this, we have there, this is some representative are there in a group of, suppose you are, how many students you said? 23, isn't it? How many are there in your batch?
24.
1 to 24.
20? 20?
4.
24.
24.
Okay, 24. So we'll have a group of, what you will prefer, 5 or 4? Chalo, give me the answer. 4 or 5?
5.
5.
5.
Okay.
5.
So make a group of 5 students, but not more than 5, according to your roll number. Strictly according to roll number. P1 means it will be starting from 1 and last number will be 24, isn't it? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First group will be there. Remember, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First group will be there. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Second group will be there. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Third group will be there. Then 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Next group, and 21, 22, 23, 24. The last group. Now, the idea is that one group will work on one topic. Out of these topics which are given, you just read about this and you can select any one. The syllabus is known to you. This is not the limited list from which you will choose the topic, but you will choose the topic which is related to our theory course. So from water technology, whatever the number of experiments are given or the projects names are given, other than that, if you can find the very different one, you can choose it. But the idea is that all the experiment must be related with our theory course, any topic from theory course. So first topic is water technology, second topic is our polymer chemistry, in which we have, just put off your audio. Whose audio is going on? Please, whose audio is going on? Otherwise, I'll remove from the group. Atharva. Huh? Please keep your audio off. No family members to be involved during the class. Only when you have to speak, that time you have to keep your audio on. Otherwise, at the time it should be off. Okay, so first our topic is the water technology. In water technology, you have to study the hardness determination, EDTA method. You have to determine calculation on the hardness calculation, CaCO3 equivalent hardness. You have to calculate that, you might have finished. Then you have to study the zeolite method for softening. You have to study the ion exchange method. Then you have to study the desalination method like reverse osmosis, electrodialysis, etc. And lastly, what is the municipal treatment for the softening of water? These are the different contents of the water. You can select any, but not the experiment as they are. You have to work on it. You have to find out the specific characteristic properties and different than what is there in the theory. The topic must be from the theory itself. So select the project from water technology itself, but don't select that zeolite method. Everything is known to us about zeolite method. So you take some topic which is, for which no information is available in our theory textbooks. Textbooks are also known to you probably. It is the engineering chemistry by Jain and Uppal. So necessarily you have to select the topic from the theory itself, but not the topic which are there for the examination, like zeolite method, ion exchange method, etc., etc. You can prepare the model, but you are online, so coming together may not be feasible. Only you have to prepare the suggest the model for the operation, etc., etc. Label it that you can do it. Now the second topic is our polymer, in which Portland cement is there. So considering the Portland cement and their properties, etc., their application, where it is used, etc., on that you can select any project, but not which is there in the theory discussion. So what we are going to study from the theory, that also it is available on our website www.viit.ac.in. So you just refer to the detailed syllabus. The topic must be from the syllabus. The topic must be from the theory itself, but not which is to be discussed or which will be discussed by the staff member in the class. Third topic is in the polymer itself we are going to study few specialty polymer like conducting polymer, etc., etc. So you can apply use or you can select any topic of the project which may be the special application which is not mentioned in our syllabus, and you work on that for specialty polymers, conducting polymers, etc., etc. What is there. Then next topic is our the instrumental methods. In that we have instrumental methods. We have to study UV visible spectroscopy, IR spectroscopy is there, and then so whatever theory is there, whatever application are there, don't work on it. Whatever is not there but can be chosen as a project. Project means something different, something innovative, something not known to many peoples, like that you have to select whatever the theory is there. Again and again I am saying, whatever is the theory is there, don't take any topic which is the theory part of it. Study of UV visible spectrophotometer or you study of IR spectrophotometer, it is already there, and on which it will be taken in the class, and on which the question also will be given to you from time to time by the staff member. So you have to take the topic from the syllabus itself, but not the topic which will be taught in the class A to Z and on which you are going to answer the examination. It should be something innovative should be there, and see that the condition is that if you will take some topic on which you can either write a paper for the journal publication purpose in the maybe UGC care journal, or maybe for writing a patent, etc., then it will be better. And if at all you are willing to pay for it, then it is most welcome. What is that publication, etc., I will explain little later. Then last topic is our corrosion. In corrosion you are going to study what is definition of corrosion, what are the causes of corrosion, what are the consequences of corrosion, what are the different methods used for prevention of corrosion, anodic coating, cathodic coating, etc. So anything related to corrosion. So for example, one topic which was taken several times by the student, not from my group, but it is that in different pH solution, that is in SCl, NaOH, different concentrated solution, you have to dip the piece of the metal and you have for 1 hour, and then from loss in weight, you have to find out in which pH of the solution, in which concentration of the solution, the corrosion is more. So that is been done by several people till date, not from my batch anytime, but by other staff members. So that is there. So you select any project which is new to you also and new to us also, little bit new to us also, and you can make the model of it, working model, you can demonstrate the working feature of that particular model, etc., and use your innovation power as much as possible. This is the just a representative uh, list. For example, from the polymer here it is given preparation of fuel from the plastic. But for that purpose, if you will select this particular, then you need to come to the lab, you need to purchase the chemicals, etc. And in the present scenario you are not online, you are sorry, you are not offline, you are online. So getting all these chemicals and working on it may not be feasible, and that is why select the experiment which at sitting at your place, whichever maybe from Pune or outside, you will be able to work uh, by discussion with each other on the maybe Zoom meeting or maybe conference call. You can plan it and study accordingly. So that choice is there to given to you. Then many such are there. These are just see, this is the total list. Many experiment, many project from this, they are not at all related with our syllabus. They are not at all related with our syllabus. It many things, many projects in this list are there from the earlier syllabus also. So see that our project will be either from water technology or from polymer chemistry or from the instrumental analysis method or from the corrosion chapter. So whatever most suitable to our syllabus, you can do it from the particular list. This is just the list given, but many of these I can see that they are not at all related to our syllabus. So select mainly that, stick to your group. Group size should not be more than 5 students per group. And if you are 24 student, 5 groups will be there. You will label them as the group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, group 5 of P1. Group 1 of P1 1 to 5, 6 to 10, Group 2 of P1. Group 3 will be 11 to 15 will be Group 3 of P1, and so on, like that. And you have to prepare the PowerPoint presentation for that. You will work on this, decide the topic, you discuss among yourself, you make a group of yourself. Among the P1 group, whatever roll number 1 to 5, you make the group 1 of P1 1. Then second group, the 6 to 10, and a second group of P1. Then 11 to 15, third group of P1. Then 16 to 20, fourth group of P1. And 21 to 24, for fifth group of P1. And you include me in all these groups. You include me on this group, and whatever once you will fix the topic, then you just discuss it with me. I will see the feasibility and the idea with it. So we will see accordingly, and then once I will give the green signal to you, immediately you will start working on it. We are not, this one more is there, preparation of biodegradable plastic material. So this is from polymer chapter, you can go for it. But again, preparation, whenever synthesis is there, you need to use the lab, and presently you are not in a position to use the lab. You have to finish this PBL till this first phase is over. You have to give the presentation, and I will give the marks also. And second phase would be you will be performing the experiments, and that will be communicated to you by your class teacher from time to time. So first of all, you make the group of first group of P1 batch, second group of P1 batch, third, fourth, fifth, and start discussing on it. Take the screenshot of it and find out which many experiment are related to our syllabus, and then start talking to each other, start discussing with each other about this feasibility as well as the innovation in the project. Many more you will get it. This is not the limited list. You can get many more such this thing you will get. one student, one group last time they had prepared the model for the softening of water. That is for this thing, municipal corporation. The model which the municipal corporation will use. They used cardboard and all, and they did it. But again, see feasibility, how frequently you can meet each other, whether by distance wise you are staying closer or not, and all purchase and all setting is possible or not. So see what you can do the best possible and then work on it. Many of these are there, uh, which you can select: the preparation of phenol formaldehyde resin, or preparation of the fluorescent dye, etc., etc. That fits in our syllabus, but feasibility is the most important factor on which you can work on it, and you can have many more such topic. And if you want, this list also I will post it to your group, P1 group, which I have joined it just few hours before. And also the new list also, if I could get it, that also I will send it. You choose the appropriate one, and while selecting the topic, take care that at least you can write a paper for the journal for publication purpose. If at all, I am underlining this, if at all your parents are ready to pay for the publication charges, your paper will be published in the journal, which may be UGC Care, Care, or it may be Scopus Index. Scopus Index cost about 10,000 minimum for 4 authors, and UGC Care cost about 2,000 for 4 authors. Which journal to be selected and how to send it, what is the format, that I will share it later. Only presently I have made the group in this particular session, and I have given you the hint which topic you can select for the this purpose. You work on it. Now this line is open for you for the discussion. You can discuss among yourself. Roll number 1 to 5. Please make a group of yourself. Just raise your hand 1 to 5, and one of you make the group. Roll number 1 to 5.
Yes, ma'am.
So you share the details with each other and make the group. Group formation must be done in this slot. 1 to 5, first group. Similar
Okay, ma'am.
to 10, second group. Who has done this? See, don't do the nuisance. Huh? I will remove you from the room itself. Limit your nuisance. Huh? Okay, I have got the name. Say sorry to me on my personal WhatsApp number. My number is 98500 Don't be smart, please. I have worked in VIT for last 29 years. 15th March, I'm going to complete 30th year in the same institute. So it is not easy to cheat me anytime. Huh? I have seen the name of the student also. Immediately before the group formation, please, please post to my personal WhatsApp number. Say sorry for that. Give your name, roll number. I have got it. Otherwise, immediately after this lecture is over, your name will be made available. Your name will be posted on CRACR group as well as class teacher group. So whomever may be your class teacher will take the appropriate action. Immediately, I want in 2 minutes. You give me the name, otherwise I'll declare it immediately after the lecture is over. Whatever you want it, choice is yours. And this is first and last time I'm saying you, no nuisance should be there hereafter. Please post me. I'm waiting for your message. Chalo. My phone number is 9850039126. WhatsApp number. Immediately say sorry, because when you did it, That time only I could see the name of the student who did it. So it is not difficult for me unnecessarily. If you want to get blacklisted, I am ready for that. But I will not tolerate your nuisance at all. Chalo fast within 2 minutes. It may be by mistake also, but say sorry for that. Remaining students start forming the group. I want the name of the student in each group 1 to 5, 6 to 10, etc.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ah, yes,
Ma'am, should we form the groups right now and then tell you the members list?
yeah. That must be finished now. In this slot itself.
Okay, ma'am.
Topic you may
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
select later on. I'm going to share this list. Another list, one more list, I will share it for your
Okay.
ready preparation. But group must be formed today itself. 1 to 5,
Yes, ma'am.
6 to 10. And the one who did
Yes,
the
ma'am.
mischievous, I want the message from him saying sorry immediately. Are you comfortable to make the groups? Yes. Any difficulty?
No, ma'am.
Okay, make it 1 to 5, 6 to 10, 11 to 15, 16 to 20, 21 to 24. Someone, you write down the name, roll number, and you have to write the complete roll number, not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. 16001 like that. Full roll number you have to write. Full name you have to write and make the group.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, two students in the group of 16 to 20 have not responded. So we are a group of 3 people only.
Yeah, total attendance is 20, including myself. So 19 are present.
Yes, ma'am.
Whereas expected are how many? 24, na?
Yes, ma'am.
So have they left? Probably.
Ma'am, they didn't join in the first place, I guess, because earlier the participants were also 21 or 20.
So they have not yet joined.
Yes, ma'am.
Ek minute. You know your class teacher's name? Who is your class teacher?
Roshni ma'am.
Rohini ma'am. Rohini ma'am.
Rohini
Chavan.
ma'am.
Rohini Panachkar?
Rohini Chavan.
Chavan.
So you may get the roll number from her if you do not have presently then.
Okay, ma'am.
You ask her on the phone what are their name and you include them, and later on by calling them you just inform that they are in your group and you are going to work together.
Okay,
Huh?
ma'am.
Okay. simultaneously take the screenshot and also find out which one is possible. You may not make it final, but at least you can shortlist 2 or 3 out of the list provided. So this is from the beginning. Take the screenshot of this up to maybe 15. Then I will display the another one list. Okay, so up to 15, 16, you take this screenshot. And if you find anything related to our syllabus, already I have made a mention of it many times. Water technology, polymer, specialty polymers, then instrumental method of analysis, in which we are going to study the UV and IR spectroscopy. And lastly, we are going to study the corrosion chapter. So whichever you find it maybe can be considered, you just take the screenshot of this first 15. Have you taken it? Shall I scroll it down?
Yes,
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So 15 onward up to 30. 15 onward up to 30 or 40. See if you can take, but strictly related to our syllabus only. Strictly related to our syllabus only. Otherwise, I will send one more list to you. I will send one more list to you. You have to choose it. It is related to the course coordinator, Aparna Kulkarni ma'am. She has not yet modified the list exams. Many are there which are there from the earlier syllabus, chromatography and all. In presently, it is not there in the syllabus.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, what is your query?
Yes, ma'am. I'm roll number 5, and I have created a group for
Ah,
the chemistry purpose. But
ah,
the thing is, roll number 4, Abdul Inamdar, isn't on any of the groups, not on the official as well as the unofficial group. So there is no way to contact him.
has he cancelled the admission? Probably.
I have no idea, ma'am. I haven't seen the name in any of the participant lists before in any of the lectures.
Earlier also he is not there. He was not
Yes,
there.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So you will get to know from your class teacher only, because many numbers may have cancelled their admission.
Yes.
They are not sure. So even then you make a group of 1 to 5. Huh? Then
Yes, ma'am.
if such 4 cancellation will be there, then instead of 5 group, we'll have 4 group. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Someone take the lead and ask your class teacher how many students are there in P1 batch. You ask her the name of the student, roll number. At least this list, someone take it and modify it if required. Huh? The group. But
Yes, ma'am.
5 students should be there, not more than that. It may happen that two another 216 and 18, the other guy who was telling earlier, might have cancelled their admission. So if such 4 students are there, then only 20 students are there, will be there, and only 4 groups will be there of 5 each. We can make 4 groups, no harm in it. Huh? But not more
Yes,
than.
ma'am.
Huh? You call your
Okay, ma'am. I
ma'am.
will ask the
She
class
picks up.
teacher.
Yeah, if she picks up and respond to your question, just check it. Huh?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you put your number in the chat box, please? I wasn't able to write it before.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
हाँ बोल बेटा. Just go
Hello,
through
ma'am.
the. हाँ बोलो.
ये प्रोजेक्ट सबमिट करने की मतलब कितना टाइम है प्रोजेक्ट सबमिट करने के लिए?
Now
What-
these 5 turns are there, including today's turn. How it will be validated, what will be the paper, PPT pattern, how many PPTs you have to prepare, etc. In due course of time, I will explain. And every time I want some action you have taken from your side. Every group will give the report what you have done in 1 week. So next week we will be together. The selection of topic must be done. Whose audio is on? Whose audio is on? I am giving the same instruction. Please don't involve your parents here. Atharva,
Yes, ma'am.
last warning. Yeah,
Ma'am,
I,
ma'am, my mic is not turned on. It's Sai Prasad.
who is Sai Prasad?
There are three
Ma'am, it's
Atharvas.
me. I am asking you about that. So my dad is speaking on. My dad just goes beside from me. Sorry, ma'am, for that.
Okay. And who did that annotation? Who did that annotation? I have not received any sorry message.
We don't know, ma'am.
Yeah, I know it, but it will be announced shortly after this session is over. Immediately within 10 minutes, CR group as well as class teachers group. Okay, so here, this is not the limited list which you should follow. You should go to the Google search, also advanced Google search for the topic and finalize the things. Only the thing is that it should be related to our syllabus, and maximum you will have 20 to 24 slides. So everyone from the group, if 5 students are there, everyone will present 5 slides at the time of final presentation. The total marks for PBL will be for 40 marks, and finally they will be reduced to 20 marks. So 20 marks weightage is there for PBL. Total 40 marks will be given. What are the different heads that I will show next time. The PBL for PBL, I will check whether it is possible now. Otherwise, next time I will show that how that division is done. How that division is done, on what basis the marking is given.
Okay, ma'am. Thanks, ma'am.
Okay. So I think so you have done it. I'll post it, the rubrics, how the marks are calculated, etc. Sorry, it is not there presently on my screen. I will share now the attendance list for the in the chat box. You have to give the attendance. You have to write the complete roll number. Don't write just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Write the complete 5-digit roll number which is there. So this is there. It is for everyone. I will share, and this is the chat box. Just fill the Google form for the attendance. Today's attendance. Write the roll number correctly. If 2 students will write the same roll number, both of them will be marked absent.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
हाँ वो प्रैक्टिकल बैच की जगह पे P1 लिखना है ना?
क्या?
प्रैक्टिकल बैच के जगह पे P1 लिखना है ना?
हाँ, P1 लिखना है. Yes, I forgot to tell you. Yes.
थैंक्स मैम. मैम,
Yes.
एंड व्हाट इज अबाउट द प्रैक्टिकल नंबर? अभी सेलेक्ट करके फिल करना है क्या?
हाँ, yeah. This is PBL1. You write PBL1. हाँ?
ओके.
PBL का
मतलब
पहला class
PBL.
अपना. PBL practical we have not yet started. In the second page you will have practical. Huh?
ओके मैम.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I submitted the attendance sheet by writing only one. So will I have to give the response again, or is it okay?
No,
I
no,
didn't
only
write
one
PBL.
response. Only one response. Why you want many?
Ma'am, I didn't write PBL one. I just wrote one because I didn't know if we had to write PBL or not.
Yeah, but hereafter keep in mind roll number is correct, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, welcome. But next time you will write PBL1, PBL2 like that.
Yes,
Huh?
ma'am. Noted. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can we leave the meeting?
Yes. Yes. What is the query?
Can we leave the meeting after the attendance?
Yeah. If everyone has done, I will end up the meeting for everyone. Huh? Are you through?
Yes,
Are you
ma'am.
through?
Thank you,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.